Hi guys, this is again amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this Fulani hair braid. It's a very simple, it's a very nice tutorial, but please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share, and press on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's jump into the tutorial. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair with this Jamaican mango and lime hair moisturizer. This is what I use for my hair. So my hair is already stretched out. It's a previous blow dry I did on my head, so I still have it on. I haven't washed my hair yet, so I've still had that on. So that's what I'm going to use to achieve this hairstyle. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair, and then what I'm going to do after moisturizing my hair, I'm going to part my hair. I'm going to part my hair so that you can see it's just a little piece, a little part that I'm going to braid, and then the back side I'm just gonna like hold it into the hair. I'm not gonna braid the entire head, it's just the front. So that's what I did is I part my hair from ear to ear, and I kind of like go with a straight line. After doing that, I'm just going to hold the back into a ponytail because I'm not going to braid that one. I'm going to comb the front hair a little bit just to get rid of any tangles or any knots, and then after doing that, I'm going to like part my hair into the section that I'm going to braid. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to like part it into a different parts to different section that I'm going to braid, so that it's easy for me to hold the hair and braid it. That's what I'm going. That is what I'm about to do right now. So after parting the hair, I try to use the rubber band method. So what I do, I part the hair and I just hold it with a rubber band. But unfortunately for me, the rubber band that I'm using is not even that strong. I can't find the other one I was using, so I'm just gonna take this rubber band. But everything, and at the end, everything just cuts off. But I'm just gonna take this rubber band and use. I'm not gonna use gel just because. When I take this hairstyle out, I want to able to do other hairstyle before washing my hair, so I'm not going to use any gel, but I'm just going to hold the rubber band method with the rubber band, and then later I'm just going to braid everything go towards the back. So now I'm going to braid the first hair at the front. I didn't use any rubber band, so I'm going to try to make sure I take the hair and make sure I cover the rubber band that I use at the other side of the hair, so that you don't see the rubber band. So I'm just gonna braid everything backwards, and I also try to oil my hair in between the braids, so that because my scalp is very dry, so I try to oil my hair. So I'm just braiding everything towards the back. That's what I'm doing, and you guys can see like a little bit of the line where I hold the rubber band. I was trying to go for that look, but it wasn't as perfect as I wanted, but it was okay, it was manageable. And excuse the face, my face movement, and all the things I'm doing my face, because it's just It's been a while braiding my hair on my own, so it's just a little bit difficult. I have to get used to it again. Now I'm just going to braid the two little braids at the side. I'm just going to braid this all back, and that's what I'm going to do. And I have this crazy face expressions that I do. Excuse that, please. So now I'm going to try to part the braid that I'm going to do, that's gonna come towards the front, because then I'm going to try to put beads. I'm going to put beads. I'm going to use an expression. The hair I'm going to use is an expression. I'm trying to make sure I get the line is very straight, which of course is very difficult, like to braid the hair from the back and try to bring it towards the front. It was not easy. Like my hands, the muscle were really paining. I was like, oh my god. But it was really nice. It turned out really nice, but it wasn't easy. If you can find someone who can do this for you, it will be very, very nice. And I try to oil my hair also in between, because my scalp is very dry, so I try to like oil my hair. And I'm also using the Jamaican Mango and Line hair oil. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know that's my favorite. Like my hair product, the product that I use on my hair is very simple, and I've been using the same product. So yeah, it's just very simple. I just like simple routine. I don't like to give myself a difficult hair routine, so I'm going to use these expressions that I have. The expression was way too long, so I had to cut it into two, because I did not want the braid to be super long. So I had to cut it into two, and yeah, because it was way too long. If you want it long, you can make it as long as you want, but for me, I didn't want it to be so long. So now it's time to braid the other braids that's going towards the side, towards the back. So I'm just gonna like normal contour. If you guys can, you guys know how to contour. It's very easy, very simple. Normal contour. I'm gonna braid it all the way back. I'm gonna braid it all the way back. It's very simple. If you cannot do controls, you can find somebody who can do it for you. But controls are very simple. They're very simple braids, and it's very easy to braid. And please excuse my face expressions. I have the most craziest face expressions ever whenever I'm doing my hair. And I also do not use expressions to do the tiny braids because my hair was already stretched out and my hair was kind of long enough to braid it on its own. But if you guys want, you can definitely use expression to do the entire braiding, but I did not want to use expression to do the entire braiding. I only use expressions to braid the ones that come in towards the front, so that I can have enough space to hang the beads. But my natural hair is long enough to like braid all this one towards the back, but I don't need it. But if you need expression, you can also use expression if you want it. It's very nice. You can do it as you wish, but for me, I don't really want expressions to braid the tiny braids because my hair is kind of long enough for it. So now I'm done with the braiding. I'm just going to try to get gathered all the hair together and try to put it on a ponytail. You guys can see I didn't braid the back, and I'm not going to use any gel because the hair the ponytail that I'm going to use to put it on the hair, it can cover all the back, and even if it doesn't cover the back, I don't want to use gel on my hair because I want when I take this hairstyle out, I want to able to do one or two hairstyles before washing my hair. I don't want to wash my hair as quickly, so that's why I'm not going to use any gel, but I'm just going to try to hold my hair in a ponytail. So that's very in a ponytail, not too tight but tight enough to make the ponytail lace very slick at the back without not using any gel. But I also use my hair mousse to like hold the back to hold the hair at the back, so it also makes the hair lay down very flat. I'm just gonna braid like the ponytails of my natural hair so that I can able to wrap it around my hair. So now I'm just going to oil my hair just once again. I use a lot of oil on my hair. If you guys know me, I use a lot of oil. Oil is like my go-to, especially this oil. I use a lot. So now I'm going to use this Cantu shea butter hair mousse. I'm going to this a leave-in conditioner hair mousse. I'm going to put this all over my head, and then I'm going to use it to tie my head so that my hair can lie down very flat. I'm also going to use it at the back. So now that everything is done, I've had my makeup on, everything is gone. I've already put the beads on. These beads are, I got it from AliExpress, and also the hair accessories that I'm having on right now. I'm putting on. I ordered some. Whenever you order a crochet braid from AliExpress, they always give you these hair accessories as gift. So that's what I'm going to do. I wanted to put more, but I thought two is enough because I didn't want to have a lot. So I thought the beads and just two of those accessories on the head was enough. I wanted to put more, but I thought, you know what, let me just stay with two. So now I'm going to put this ponytail or the this is something I made on my own. If you guys want to know how I achieve that, how I make that hair, I'll put the link below. You guys can go and check it. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you guys very soon.